Now, the recovery of cosmology brings back a sense of community, or it ought to rediscover that we are kin with all other beings. And if you run the film of the universe backwards 14 billion years, you realize we all descend from an original pinprick, smaller than a zygote. But it's really one being here. We're all relatives.
Imagine nothing. Not space, not darkness, not even a vast emptiness, but nothing. Now, imagine everything. In a stupendous explosion of light, heat, and energy radiating out in every direction, the universe erupted into existence 13.7 billion years ago.
We can see that everything that ever was, is, or will be was compressed into a space smaller than a seed, tinier than a tear, more minuscule than a molecule. All space, all time, and the potential for everything that would ever exist started as a single point. So in a very real sense, science has discovered what indigenous people have known all along. We are all one. We are all connected. We all come from the very same source.
This massive fireball continued expanding, eventually cooling enough for the very first atoms to form.
If the expansion had just been a little bit slower, the universe would have collapsed into an enormous black hole. Or if the expansion had just been a little bit faster, the universe would have expanded just too fast for the galaxies to form, and so we'd have simply dust. If you altered the expansion just 1/1,000,000th of 1%, the entire universe would collapse. So what it suggests is that there's a profound wisdom at work in the universe.